What if I told you there is something that you can do that will save you tons of time when you are making YouTube thumbnails in Canva? I'm going to be sharing with you the biggest trick I used when I was making YouTube thumbnails for free. And that trick is to spend time looking at the templates and saving things to use for later. Let's get started on the Canva homepage and search for YouTube thumbnails. The first thing you want to do to save time as a free user is to look at templates on the home page instead of in the design. Because when you are on the Canva template page, you can filter your templates down to free. A helpful bit of information for you is to know that free means the template is free to use, but there could be some paid elements in the template that will need to be replaced if you want your design to be 100% free. I recommend choosing 5 to 10 templates that you really like the look of. We're going to look at this particular template to share with you the next tip. You can add elements of the templates to a starred folder. All you have to do is click the element or photo that you want to save. Select the I for info at the top. If there's a star there, you can add it. The reason I recommend choosing multiple templates to look at is that you can find many images without backgrounds to use on your thumbnail for free. By saving them in your starred folder, you will have quick access to them later when you are building your thumbnails. If you found this time-saving tip useful for YouTube thumbnails, remember to hit that like button so I know that you want more quick tips like this one. If you need to learn more about thumbnails, be sure to check out the lesson on your screen right now. If it's not there for you to click into, look in the description to see some related Canva tutorials. If you liked today's video and want to see more like it, make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!